One of the most vexing parts of speech is the preposition. It's a part of speech about which teachers tell lies all the time for reasons best known to them. But I'm going to explain the preposition. It is not, in fact, so daunting in spite of all the misinformation about it. Now, the thing that everybody seems to be taught about the preposition is you can tell if something is a preposition if it can fill the blank in the following sentence. The squirrel runs blank the tree. And it could be the squirrel around the tree, toward the tree, over the tree, under the tree, that kind of thing. Now, it's true that the things that can go in that blank indeed are prepositions. But it gives you the sense that a preposition is something that's basically about moving. And particularly moving in regards to some tree somewhere. But what about these prepositions? Very common ones, not like scoured from a dictionary, but just very, very common. The squirrel ran like the tree. The squirrel ran of the tree. The squirrel ran during the tree. What about that? Anyway, obviously these don't fit. So, what is a preposition? Well, as its name, preposition, suggests it is something that comes before something, prepositioned before something. And prepositions come before some noun, which is called the object of the preposition. And together with that noun, the preposition makes a phrase called the prepositional phrase. And that phrase acts either as an adjective or an adverb. And we've covered adjectives and adverbs elsewhere. So the phrase acts as if it were a single word, modifying some verb or some noun. Now, for example, in the squirrel ran towards the tree. Towards is the preposition. The noun that comes after the preposition is tree, as it always is in these examples taught to gullible children. Towards the tree. And towards the tree is the prepositional phrase, and it answers a question. It answers the question, where? The squirrel ran towards the tree. Where did it run? Towards the tree. If it answers the question where, it is functioning as an adverb. So, towards the tree is a prepositional phrase, it's functioning as an adverb, and it's modifying the verb runs. Okay, so here are some other examples. The man with the hat is nearly a hero. The man with the hat is really a hero. Well, with the hat, what is that doing? It's answering the question, which man? The man with the hat. And things that answer the question which are adjectives, right? So this is what a phrase is. A phrase is a group of words that hangs together as if it were a single word with a part of speech, an identifiable part of speech. So, with the hat, which man? The man with the hat. That whole phrase, that three-word phrase, is functioning as an adjective. With is the preposition. Hat is the object of the preposition. With the hat. And the whole thing is acting as an adjective modifying the word man. Okay? The tree fell during the storm. Okay, the tree fell, the verb is fell, the subject is tree. The tree fell during the storm. Okay. During the storm. What is that? That is answering what question? When did the tree fall? It fell when? During the storm. So things that answer the question when are adverbs. During the storm is a prepositional phrase. During is the preposition. Storm is the object of the preposition. And it's answering the question when fell when. So it's an adverb. Or it's acting as if it were an adverb, modifying the verb fell. Fell when? During the storm. Okay, and I'll just throw you a bone now. Here it is, the squirrel ran around the tree. And there it is. We've already gone over something like this. Around the tree. Around is the preposition. Tree is the object. It's modifying the verb ran. It's answering the question where. Where did it run? Around the tree. Things that answer the question where are adverbs. So this three-word prepositional phrase is functioning as if it were an adverb modifying the verb ran. And that's the preposition.